Foncanelli. You started all this.
Yeah, I did. I know it, and I'd do anything.
I'll tell you, it's over 300 or 400 heads short. And you killed Dan Latimer.
Sure I did. I know that, too. I know it, and I'd give my right
Stealing
arm.
sugar like a kid. Well, they whip kids to teach them better.
They what?
Laredo, Teeler, tie him to that wagon wheel.
No, they won't. Nobody's gonna tie me to no wagon wheel, no, sir.
Then you'll take it without a wheel to lean against.
Oh, Mr. Dunson, I was wrong, awful wrong, but nobody's gonna whip me.
Turn around, Bunk.
Don't do it, Mr. Dunson.
Turn around, you'll get it in the eye.
Don't do it, Mr. Dunson. I tell you, don't do it.
You'd have shot him right between the eyes. Just as sure as you're standing there. Well, you shot him. You can take care of him. And the rest of you, you got a couple of thousand head to round up. Get at it. Go ahead, say it.
You was wrong, Mr. Dunson.